Meaning of everything.
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 Everything. The word everything refers to all things, both tangible and intangible, that exist in the universe. It encompasses every object, every phenomenon, every thought, and every emotion that can be experienced or imagined. The concept of everything is infinite, as it includes everything that has existed in the past, now exists in the present, and could potentially exist in the future. Therefore, the meaning of everything represents a vast, all-encompassing notion that cannot be fully comprehended by the human mind.